Let me show you the mistake almost every creator makes. They spend 8 hours editing a long video, then spend 30 seconds turning it into shorts, and then they wonder why nobody watches them. That's exactly why tools like Opus Clip blew up. The promise sounds amazing. Upload one long video, AI finds the best moments, adds captions, reframes everything, and suddenly you've got a week's worth of content. Sounds perfect. But does it actually work that well, or is it just another AI tool with a great landing page? Here's what I think actually matters. If you're creating one video every few months, honestly, you probably don't need it. But if you're publishing YouTube videos every week, running podcasts, creating client content, or managing multiple social accounts, now the conversation changes because time becomes more valuable than features. The first thing I'd look at isn't the AI score or the fancy editing tools. I'd look at the clips themselves. Do they actually feel like moments someone would stop scrolling for? Or do they just look like random pieces cut out of a longer video? That's a huge difference because AI can find words, it can't always find emotion. Sometimes it nails it. Sometimes you'll watch the clip and think, why did it pick this part? And that's okay. You still need to review what it creates. Don't fall into the trap of uploading everything automatically. Treat the AI like an editor giving you a first draft, not the final version. Here's a simple test I'd recommend before paying. Upload one of your best performing YouTube videos. Let Opus Clip create the shorts. Then compare them to the clips you would have picked yourself. If the AI gets close, or even surprises you, that's a good sign. If you're rewriting every clip from scratch, you probably have your answer. Another thing, people forget to calculate how much is your time worth. If the tool saves you 3 or 4 hours every week, the subscription might pay for itself faster than you think. But if it only saves 10 minutes, that's a different conversation. So, is Opus Clip worth paying for? If short form content is a big part of your strategy and you care about publishing consistently, it can be a really useful addition to your workflow. Just don't expect it to replace your judgment. The best performing clips usually come from combining AI's speed with a creator's instinct. Now I'm curious. If you could automate one part of your editing process, would it be clipping videos, writing captions, or something completely different? Let me know in the comments. I have a feeling the answers are going to be all over the place.